Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to activate the two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to add an extra layer of security to your Pi wallet and protect the Pi tokens you have in your wallet from being stolen by anyone. Yes, this two-factor authentication protects your wallet in a way that it does not allow anyone log into your wallet without your consent. So if you misplace your passphrase to someone or someone deliberately steals it from you and the person tries to access your Pi wallet for any reason to steal your coins or do whatever in it, the person will not be able to log in because he or she or the bot will be prompted to supply a two-factor authentication code that will be sent to the email address you will link to your account while activating the two-factor authentication for your wallet. Good. We want to say thank you to the Pi Core team for releasing this feature and extending it to the Pi wallet interface now. So you don't have to bother yourself too much about losing your passphrase once you have this two-factor authentication activated on your wallet. Good. Before we proceed, I would say if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed and also help the channel grow. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post interesting videos as this, because I will keep bringing interesting videos to the Pi ecosystem and the crypto space at large. Good. Without wasting much of our time, let me proceed with the process of how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to guard your Pi wallet from being accessed by any stranger anywhere, anytime, any day. Good. To proceed, what you will do first of all is you launch your Pi browser. This is my Pi browser here. Just make sure you allow everything open very well so you don't experience any network issues or glitches. Good, and once it has opened like this, the next thing you will do is to locate this button at this upper center part here, the home button. Click on it to reveal the address bar of your Pi browser. Please, what I'm about to show you now, make sure you do it inside your Pi browser. Don't do it anywhere, because once this two-factor authentication is activated on your Pi wallet, it will be stored on your Pi browser. So if anyone tries to access your Pi wallet from any other browser out there or from any other place, the person won't be able to access because he or she will be asked to provide a two-factor authentication code that will be sent to the email you will link to your account now by setting up this two-factor authentication feature. Good. So please make sure you do it on your Pi browser. Good. Now, once you're here like this, the next thing you do is clean up everything on the address bar, clean it up, and you type in pinet-authentication.web.app. Good. The URL is https pinet-authentication.web.app. Don't worry, this URL will be on the description of this video. So once you want to do this, kindly locate the description of this video. You will see the URL there. Copy it and paste into your Pi browser to proceed. Good. And it's also displayed on the screen here, https pinet-authentication.web.app. Beautiful. Now, once you've entered it like this, the next thing you do is you hit on enter to proceed to the two-factor authentication activation site. Good. This is the interface. You can see it's Pi Wallet 2FA security, enhanced protection for your Pi assets. Okay, you can take your time to read all the things that is here. You can take your time to read it. Okay, let me read the first one. It says secure your Pi wallet. Welcome to the Pi Network Wallet Two-Factor Authentication 2FA activation service. This application provides an additional layer of security to protect your Pi cryptocurrency wallet from unauthorized access and potential attackers. Beautiful. Yeah, in today's digital landscape, securing your cryptocurrency assets is paramount. By activating email-based 2FA, you add a critical security checkpoint that ensures only you Good, you see that it says that ensures only you can access your wallet, even if someone obtains your recovery phrase. Beautiful. That is what this 2FA does. That is why you should activate it on your Pi wallet immediately as a pioneer to secure your Pi wallet from unauthorized access, so that even if you mistakenly lost your seed phrase or lose your seed phrase rather, you will not be bothered about anybody taking your seed phrase and stealing from your Pi wallet. That is why you need to activate this feature immediately you get it. So let's proceed. You can read the remaining parts. What we want to do now is go to this button here that says activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. So you click on it to proceed. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, this is the authentication page where you authenticate your Pi wallet with this process. Now, all you need to do is to impute the 24-word passphrase of the particular wallet you want to activate this 2FA feature on. That is the wallet. You will impute its 24-word passphrase into the box here to authenticate that wallet with 2FA and have it activated on it. I have mine copied already on my clipboard. All I will need to do is to click here on this box and long press it to paste my phrase in, and click on paste. Sorry, I had to blur this place out so that I don't reveal my passphrase to anybody. Good. Now, once you've pasted it like this, the next thing you do is you hit on this button that says authenticate with passphrase. Just hit on it to proceed. Good. And on this page, this is where you will link an email address to your wallet. That email address will now be the two-factor authentication email for your Pi wallet, where the verification codes will be sent to anytime someone tries to access your Pi wallet from a different browser that is not from your phone. You understand? So the person will be prompted to supply a two-factor authentication code that the Pi core team will send to this email you are about to link to your wallet now. And if the person fails to supply that email, that means the person cannot and will never be able to log into your Pi wallet to do anything, because he or she doesn't have access to your email. So you impute the email address you desire to add or link to your Pi wallet here to proceed with the process. Now let me add my own email address. Okay, so I will add it here again to confirm. They say confirm email address to be sure you didn't make any mistakes. So add the email address here again. Beautiful. Once you've added it like this, the next thing you will do is you click on this button here that says send verification code, so they can send this code for you to activate this email address on your wallet and link it to your Pi wallet. Now let's hit on the send verification code to proceed. Okay, so checking your wallet, send a verification code. Just allow it to do all this process. Beautiful. Now the next thing is to go to my email and get the verification code sent to my email and add it here to complete this process. So you join me while I navigate to my email address to get this two-factor authentication code that has been sent to my email, so I can link this my email to my Pi wallet. Okay, this is my email here, Gmail. Let me open it. Beautiful. Yes, this is the email Pi Network Support 2FA verification code. So I'll click on the email to open it now so we can get the code. Alright, okay, your verification code. You requested to activate two-factor authentication for your Pi Network wallet. Use the code below to complete the process. Okay, so I will just scram it 382909. 382909. 382909. Okay, I put it 382909. And once I inputted it here, I will now click on this button that says verify and activate 2FA. Just click on it and then allow it go. Wonderful. I have successfully activated the two-factor authentication feature on my Pi wallet. As you can see, 2FA successfully activated. Your Pi wallet is now protected with email-based two-factor authentication. This activation has been confirmed and locked to your browser console. From now on, you will need to verify your identity through your linked 2FA email when accessing your wallet on a different Pi browser aside this one. Good. That is done. That is how to do this process. So if you're a pioneer out there with a mainnet wallet and you have not activated this feature, the 2FA feature on your wallet, you are at the risk of losing your Pi coins to anybody, to scammers out there. You can lose it. Now, quickly follow the steps the same way I did them and activate the two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to add that extra layer of protection to secure your Pi wallet from anybody, even if they have access to your Pi passphrase. They won't be able to take or log into your Pi wallet to do anything or steal Pi coins from you. This is how to protect your Pi wallet in 2026 and beyond. And that brings us to the end of the video. I will say, if you find this interesting, please kindly share this video to other pioneers. Let them be aware of this new two-factor authentication feature and activate it on their Pi wallet to guarantee the security of their wallet. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I make and post sweet and interesting, helpful videos like this, because I will keep bringing them on this channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.